Good morning, my little kittens. Today we are going to do a headlight makeup inspired by Rolls-Royce 2022. So if you don't know, in my last video I made one for Audi Q7 and I transformed those headlights into something wearable, so that's what we're going to do today. So as you can see, I already have my makeup base on and we're going to start the makeup with some brown here, and for those lines I will use some liquid eyeliners because I tried with crayons and it doesn't work, so just go and get some liners because with the pencil you won't get the same idea. So we will start to apply this brown here. As in my last video, I will try to make a straight line here. And I don't know if you noticed this, but for this makeup invention is a type of square involved, so we need to make that square look as nice as we can. And also we need to keep it wearable. Now I'm going to apply the same eyeshadow down. Oh my god, I love how this eyeshadow looks on my eyes. Also, please tell me in the comments if you like these space buns because it's my first time doing them, and I don't know, I felt like with this look they will look nice. I feel so challenged now when I'm doing this because these rolls here are so different and this square shape is so it's strange at the first sight, but it kind of looks good, so it makes me so happy and feel so challenged. I don't know. I'm so bored of that makeup that we just see every day. Like, I'm bored of that. I need to try something new. And the best part of this, and the part that makes it wearable, is that as you can see here it will start like a perfect shape and here it will come blended, and this will make the eyelash and the look looks so nice, and it will elongate the eyes so beautifully. Look how nice that looks already. Don't be afraid if you mess it up a little bit here, because you can always just clean it with a little bit of concealer. And to create this, I honestly needed to make it a couple of times because it's hard when you are trying something for the first time and you need to make it wearable and make those lines, I don't know, a little bit blend with the skin and with your eye shape. It's a little bit difficult at first, but with time you just get used to it. So first I'm gonna start with the baby blue, and it's so cute. I mean, this color is just killing me. And on top of that I will go with the white eyeliner, so we will have that contrast between them. Look how cute that looks! Now I'm correcting this line here a little bit because I want to be perfect. But just look how cute this looks already. I'm dying. I love this look. And I know at this point you are skeptical with this shape, but if you see it like 3 times or more, you will love it, honestly. You will love it. I was skeptical too at first, but look how cute that looks. Now we're gonna do the white liner, and I'm so excited for this one because it already looks so nice, and with that contrast with the baby blue and the white will look so nice, and this brown kills me. So let's do it. Wish me good luck. I showed this makeup to a lot of my friends, and someone asked me, why doesn't it look exactly like a headlight? And that's not the point. The point is to make it wearable and to make it look like similar to a headlight, but still wearable, if that makes sense. Now I will make the details on this much more intense, and I will also make this eye, and we are gonna apply the falsies, and I will come to see the look. You ready to see the makeup? You ready to see the Rolls-Royce makeup? Watch. Masterpiece. Look how cute that looks. And with this cute space pants, I feel like I just fall from another world. Like, so I will put the draft again here, and if you respect the proportions, you will get that Rolls-Royce face, just like I did. And this looks so cute. I'm in love with this makeup. Like, look at this. It looks so nice. So in our virtual catalog, we have now the Headlight makeup rolls. So your girl Glammedblondie finished her job, and now we are looking fabulous. If you like this video, go and press that like, bell and subscribe button, because we will meet a little bit later. Now I'm going to find my cat.